All right, guys. So we have a 3000 GT SL here. This was a water damage car. The question is, will it run again? I was flooded on the inside. That's why everything got damaged. As you can see, whole car is gutted. Nothing is in here. All the harness is trashed. Everything. Windows doesn't go up. Got a couple of surface rust here. As you can see, it smells really bad in here. It's pretty rusted. So the goal is to get this car running again. So that's why it come to us. Try to make it run again. As you can see, everything is stripped. The electrical. So we got some more harness here. We got some harness in here. So the question is, will it run again? The engine seems to be okay as far as I see, but I don't know if any water cycled in the engine, so I'm only going off for what the customer says. So I know the transmission gonna have to come out because I'm sure it's rusted in there. So I know they got water inside the transmission, so I'm gonna have to take the transmission down. Oil doesn't seem to have any water in it, but I have to do an oil change. Timing belt has to be replaced. Look at that right there. This has to go. So we gotta work it out first, man.